In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can accept a friend request on Facebook. So how do you know that someone has sent you a friend request? You will see a notification like this, but on this icon, this is a notification icon. So if you go ahead and tap on it, now it will bring you to notifications page, as you can see here. And we have here a new friend request on this page. And as you can see, this person sent you a friend request, and you can now go ahead and either confirm or delete it if you don't want to accept. So to accept a friend request on Facebook, go ahead and tap on confirm. And once you tap on it, now friend request accepted. That means that this person will be among the friends that you have on Facebook. Now if you go here on the list of friends and then tap on friends, now here you'll see a list of all the friends that you have on Facebook. And as you can see, the recently accepted friend is here, now is among your friends. So that's how you accept a friend request on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.